hype around Dhurandhar 2 is exploding after its paid previews on 18th March, and social media is on fire with reactions. Bollywood stars were among the first to watch the film, and they can't stop talking about it. Ananya Pandey shared on Instagram, "Blown away, Aditya Dhar, Beast, Ranveer Singh." While Karthik Aryan wrote, "Dhurandhar, the revenge is top-notch. Aditya Dhar has created an unforgettable cinematic experience, and Ranveer Singh delivers a storm. A must-watch." Interestingly, this comes after their film Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri was overshadowed by the first Dhurandhar at the box office. And now, all eyes are on the sequel to break even bigger records. Another glowing reaction came from Preeti Zinta, who said, "Just watched Dhurandhar 2 and all I wanna say is, revenge ho to Dhurandhar jaisa ho varna na ho. Direction, acting, music, editing, story, casting and every other department is mind-blowing." The first thing mom said after watching the movie was that she wanted to see it again in the theater with her friends, and I feel exactly the same. She also praised director Aditya Dhar, saying he turned her into a fangirl and gave her an incredibly immersive experience. Talking about Ranveer Singh, she said his performance is stunning and added, "What range, what depth, what sincerity," saying she's still processing it. Filmmaker Madhur Bhandarkar also shared his reaction. "Last night I saw the epic 3 hours 49-minute ride that is Dhurandhar 2, and my head is still spinning. This is the blueprint for how to conquer a high-stakes sequel." Filmmaker Aditya Dhar Films' vision is electrifying in every frame, the pace is non-stop, and you can't catch your breath for a second. The whole cast nails it. He added that Ranveer is in a league of his own and even said he deserves a national award. And keeping it short but impactful, Shanaya Kapoor simply said, "Mind blown, with such massive praise pouring in, Dhurandhar 2 looks unstoppable. Is this the biggest blockbuster of 2026? The news is confirmed, Divyanka Tripathi and Vivek Dahiya are expecting their first child. Divyanka shared the happy update on Instagram, posting her pregnancy glow and writing, "Plot twist, after 10 years some journeys are not about rushing. They're about becoming ready together. And just when you think your story is complete, life adds the most beautiful chapter." Still soaking it in, still smiling for no reason. With our hearts full of gratitude, we are expecting. The couple has kept the pregnancy private for 6 months, taking fans by surprise. Their baby is expected in mid-June, with the delivery planned in Mumbai. Tripathi revealed she first told Dahiya before informing their parents, keeping the news close to family. The couple, who married on 8 July 2016, after meeting on the sets of Ye Hai Mohabbatein, have always maintained a balance between their personal and public lives. Reports suggest a small baby shower is being planned as the due date approaches. Fans are thrilled to celebrate this new chapter in the lives of Divyanka and Vivek as they prepare to welcome their first child. A heartwarming moment for one of TV's most beloved couples. The fallout from the cancelled wedding of Palash Muchal and Smriti Mandhana continues to grab attention, and now, actress Daisy Shah has shared her thoughts. Daisy, who is set to work with Palash on his upcoming film, revealed that he avoided reaching out to her directly during the controversy. She said, "I got 2-3 calls from random people saying that there is a film that Palash is making and he wants me to be a part of the film. I was like, Palash knows me personally because I am really good friends with Palash's sister Palak. So I was thinking if Palash wants to speak to me, he will contact me directly, or he would message me through Palak, so why am I getting a message from a random person?" Eventually, Daisy messaged him herself, and he responded, "Yeah ma'am, this is true, but because of the situation lately, I'm not calling personally anybody because it might go on a different tangent altogether." Talking about the controversy, Daisy made it clear she keeps things professional. She said, "I can switch off from personal life to professional life, and I don't think your personal life should affect your professional life. First of all, I don't know what is the actual story." She added, "There are always two sides to a coin. We really don't know what went wrong because it is between two families. We are sitting here and judging from what we heard from the media houses. We don't know what is the actual truth. And that doesn't mean that I am nullifying the woman's side of the story. I'm just being neutral. Also, he contacted me on a professional level. So, who am I to even judge a book by its cover?" Despite everything, Daisy remains hopeful. She said, "I hope everything gets well on both sides and they come together because they actually make a lovely pair." For now, fans are still processing the sudden wedding cancellation and waiting to see what happens next. Exciting news for Dhurandhar 2 fans, Yami Gautam makes a cameo in the spy thriller. This wasn't exactly a surprise, as reports had suggested she'd have a well-fleshed-out role. But her appearance was very different from what audiences expected. Yami appears in the middle of a high-stakes scene, instantly grabbing attention. She is seen in the second half of the film, dressed as a nurse, a spy for India in Pakistan. But here's the twist. Her name tag reads Shazia Bano, a nod to her character in Haq. Her cameo is brief, a blink and miss moment, but it adds an exciting twist. For full details on her role and the plot she's involved in, you'll have to watch Dhurandhar, The Revenge in theaters. Directed by Aditya Dhar, the film brings back Ranveer Singh as Hamza Ali Majari, also known as Jaskirat Singh Rangi, alongside Sara Arjun as his wife Yalina. The sequel picks up after Rahman Dakat's murder, with Hamza rising as the feared king of Lyari in Karachi while secretly working to dismantle anti-Indian operations. The ensemble cast includes R. Madhavan as Ajay Sanyal, Sanjay Dutt as SP Aslam Chaudhary, Arjun Rampal as Major Iqbal, and Rakesh Bedi as Zamil Jamali. Supporting performances from Danish Pandor, Gaurav Gera, and Manav Gohil elevate the film even further. With action, suspense, and star-studded cameos, Dhurandhar 2, The Revenge is a must-watch on the big screen.